I'm not going to lie, I've made life-changing money in the past month, all because I started launching my own meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same and make a shit ton of money. Now guys, I'm going to be fully transparent with you guys. I used to spend every living hour trading meme coins on MemeScope in the trenches, but there was one problem. Every single time I put my money inside a meme coin, for some reason it just kept getting rug pulled over and over again to basically zero. And it just got to a point where I just lost all my money. I didn't know what to do because, trading meme coins didn't work for me. But that's when I realized something. The people who are behind these coins are making so much money. All they're doing is they create the coin, they pump up the price, and then they dump it. And they're basically walking away with thousands of dollars on every single meme coin launch. And that's exactly why I switched to a new strategy. Now I can make 2x gains, 3x gains, and even thousands of dollars on every single coin. Now I became the guy behind the coins. All I do is I pump the price up and I dump it and I make a shit ton of money. And the best part is that you can do this over and over again until you are satisfied with how much money you made. But now it's time to actually get to the point and launch your coin and make some money. But obviously this is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me, cap. But anyways, I'm gonna stop wasting time and I'm gonna head straight to the fun part. To launch your own coin, you want to come to launchtoken.Fun. And here you are going to launch your coin with no coding required on the Solana blockchain. And the thing that makes this website so special and so unique is that the coins are all launched on the Radium DEX, which, if you have no idea what that means, is basically a better version than Pump.Fun, because nowadays Pump.Fun is too saturated, too many coins are being created every single second and minute and hour, and the market caps are not even appealing enough. They're not even breaking the 10k mark. But on the Radium DEX, you are getting a way much more higher market cap. For example, if I go on Pump.Fun on my Photon, just look at the horrible market caps: 50k, 9k, 10k, 30k, 7k, 40k. But if we go on Radium, just look at the insane market caps: 100,000, 900 million, 4 million, 100,000, 11 million. Just imagine all the eyeballs and all the big investors looking for the next big Radium coin. And by the way, by launching your own coins on launchtokens.fun, you are basically skipping the bonding curve and you are going directly to migration. But anyways, coming back to launchtokens.fun, you have two different options into making your own meme coin. The first option is actually to make it manually, so you can put your own token name, token symbol, and token image. This is good for narratives that just came out, that just went viral, or even narratives that are around news, right? That's the first option into making your own coin. It's really simple, the steps. But the second option is actually to copy what's already working. So for example, you can come here, copy coins right here, and you can actually duplicate and steal coins that are already working. So by duplicating these coins, you're basically listing them back up on the Radium DEX and you are making way more money. Okay, all these coins are all proven to get you some buyers because they're all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. So you are making a shit ton of money if you're duplicating these coins. There's a bunch of people in my Discord server and in my Telegram group making thousands of dollars just by duplicating random coins right here, and they're making so much money. But anyways, enough yapping and let's head to the money. So I'm gonna duplicate the King of the Hill right here. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago, so create coin right here. After that, the Solana will pop up, boom, go inside of it. Then, okay, a warning will pop up. This is completely normal, just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. I'm just trying to go quick inside the steps because I don't want to waste your guys' time. Creating your coin. Okay, copy here, click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Here select your coin, which is already pre-selected. Here select your Solana balance pre-selected also. Amount token A, click on max. Amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. This is the initial cost for your own coin. Now, you are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. So once you remove the liquidity, it will come back inside your wallet. So I like to put 0.5 Solana. Obviously, you can put 0.3 or 1 Solana or more. Just put whatever you want, and then it should be ready. So I would do create pool. After that, the Solana balance will pop up. Now click on confirm. And then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. I'm already $50 in profit, which is absolutely insane. Click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. It's already pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Let me go on a lower time frame. Not bad. Let me go see who bought in. We got a $50 buy, $20 buy, $8 buy. And if you want to check your profits, you can come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on refresh, and your profits is going to go up right here, as you can see. Okay, now it's kind of consolidating. We have to wait for more buyers to kick in. Oh my god, the coin is fucking pumping. Let's go. Oh my god, it's pumping! Yo guys, by the way, right now is the best time to start launching your own coins, because Solana's pumping. Bitcoin is at 100,000, and bro, as you can see by my chart, it is fucking pumping. But the question is, should I be greedy and should I remove the liquidity right now, or should I go for more profits? I don't want to drag this video too long. Okay, I think if it comes back to this level, I might do it. Come on, come back. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do it. To remove the liquidity, come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button here, click 100% remove liquidity. Come on, go fast. Come on. Oh. Confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you remove the liquidity out of the coin. And let's see how much we made in 3, 2, 1. $570 is inside my wallet. Oh my freaking god. We made almost $500 in profit within just one launch. Launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. It's the best side hustle or business to start where you can make so much money by doing nothing. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.